Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Fendi model M0076/G/S in color code 086UB. It's a dark Havana silver orange color frame. On the temples here we have a gold color temple with a Fendi engraved. And at the temple tip we have an orange color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple, it's the same. The lenses are a yellow color, Decor. In the light over here, the lenses change to yellow color. The style of the frame is fashion shield. Up here we have a Fendi case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and your manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.